In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a container element on your Webflow page, format it to your liking, and publish it seamlessly. Whether you're a beginner or just need a refresher on your web design skills, this guide will break everything down into easy-to-understand steps, ensuring that you can confidently update and maintain your Webflow site. First things first, we need to head over to your Webflow project. Once you're on the Webflow dashboard, navigate to the project you wish to edit. Open it up and you'll be greeted with the familiar user interface that allows you to construct your web page. The next step is to add a container to your page, which is a pivotal element in structuring and organizing your content neatly. Containers in Webflow help maintain consistency across different screen sizes, providing a responsive layout for your site. To add a container, look towards the left side of the interface and locate the Add panel. Click on it and you'll see a variety of elements that you can add to your page. Scroll through until you find the container element. Drag it onto your page wherever you'd like this structured section to appear. By default, the container will stretch across the page's width but provide consistent margins, ensuring a centered design across devices. Now you might wonder why use a container instead of just any div block. Well, the container element in Webflow is preset for responsiveness, eliminative of extra configuration often needed for adaptability. Once you have your container set into your design, you can start focusing on customizing its settings to reflect your design goals. This may involve styling it with a background color, border, or specific dimensions. In this case, we're going for a simple black form for our container. Click on the container on your canvas and navigate to the right where you'll find the Style tab. Here you'll see options for colors, borders, dimensions, and more. For our design, change the background color to black by selecting the background section and choosing the color black from the color picker. You can add some padding to ensure the content inside the container doesn't touch the edges of the container itself, providing a clean and polished look. Adjust these settings until you're satisfied with how it looks integration-wise within your page design. Once your container is perfectly crafted and consistent with your overall page design, let's move forward with publishing these changes. Head to the top right of the Webflow interface and spot the Publish button. Click on it and choose to publish to the selected domains. This action pushes all recent changes you've made from the Webflow designer to the live site, making your newly added container visible to site visitors. There you have it. You've successfully added, formatted, and published a customized container on your Webflow site. This small yet highly functional step is crucial in establishing a cohesive design while ensuring a responsive layout. Don't forget to review your changes on different devices, ensuring it displays perfectly across all screen sizes. Thanks for tuning in. Stay creative, and I look forward to seeing what you build.